My name's Arman Verma.
Hi, I'm Aditya Swami.
Hi, I'm Ayush Kashidhar.
Hi, I'm Karan Jagasia.
We're going for our cast trip to Madhab Thakurwadi.
We're going to be doing community services. We have different groups. Some are going to educate some of the primary children in the village, while I am in the community kitchen. So I'm going to be making sandwiches with my group, not to see that all the villagers are well fed.
I am the leader of my group and we are going to do the seasonal calendar. According to that, we are going to go up to the villagers and talk to them and understand how they survive in the different climatic conditions and how it affects their daily life and also their agriculture.
We're going to do a couple of things. We'll be planting trees, and it's the rainy season now, so then it's the perfect season for it. I'm in the community kitchen, so then we're going to make sandwiches for all of the villagers.
I'm in group 8, which is each one teach one, and we're planning on teaching the kids. I think we're going to teach them English today because I feel like English is a really useful language. It's a worldwide language, and I feel like they should get the chance to, learn English, communicate, and, express themselves in a new language that's unique and different for them.
I'm going to be part of documentation and I'm the assistant coordinator. So we're going to take parts from every single position and form them together and create a presentation.
It's very exciting because it's something new and you don't get to do it very often, to actually go and interact with these people, because we are always so closed up in our own city, and even though when we do get out, we don't go to villages, we go to places like Imagica and all. So this is new and it's better for our own learning experience.
I'd like to meet new people over there, and then I hope they enjoy our company.
This is my first trip, so I am kind of anxious. So I hope that I'll be able to adapt and stuff and able to teach them something really, really good.
My name is Rishi Deshpande, I'm 11 and visit at the transition in the village. I feel happy because I really don't go to my around my place. The first time I did it, I'm going to go to my
It was a great experience because I think many people should plant more trees for awareness of more of the oxygen in the environment due to the pollution nowadays that we've forgotten to plant trees and all. So I think it was a nice experience doing it overall.
My part was in the community kitchen, where we made sandwiches for all the villagers. Some upsides, some downsides. I almost hit my head on a rock. It's a little slippery today. Helping is all that counts and all that brings the happiness, especially in me, if not anybody else.
We did whatever we could to teach them, like even the basics like ABCD. So if that helps a bit, I think we did our part.
honestly, just interacting, meeting these children, and understanding how their life is from different circumstances. Just that's what it taught me. Life in different socio-economic circumstances.
All of them are actually pretty smart. They caught it up pretty fast, and some of them took some time. But yeah, I mean, if they all get proper education and all, I'm sure they'll be brilliant. They all know their stuff well.
It gives you a lot of happiness when you contribute to the society in this way, when you teach small kids and when they learn so much from you, the smile that they have on their faces after the entire session, it gives you immense happiness.
She's so involved in this. आप सब लोग इधर क्या काम कर रहे हो? तो आप लोग क्या The main thing that we had to do at the seasonal calendar work was that we had to ask them how the year goes. I have usually thought that the people in the villages have something to do throughout their day, but here I realized that agriculture is not something that they want to do but have to do. They try and sustain themselves by this agriculture. They don't own the land also, and they try to go about looking for jobs outside the village, but they never get a permanent job, which is a new information to me and also saddens me.
म्हणजे लग्न झाल्यानंतर ते शाळेला जातात नाही ना? नाही. तो बच्चे अकेले
गाँव में आया नाटक देखो, गाँव में आया नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो, नाटक देखो।
अभी एसवी गेम जीवी पार्क इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से आप सभी के सामने एक नाटक पेश करेंगे जिसका विषय है व्यसन मुक्ति, बेरोजगारी और शिक्षा। तो आइए हमारे साथ देखते हैं नाटक।
I was a part of the community kitchen, so we had to make sandwiches for the villagers. This experience was one of the most enthralling and enchanting one. The most shocking thing what I discovered was that this sandwich was their first sandwich they ever had in their life. So and the problems we faced was a language barrier, as it was a bit difficult to converse in Hindi as they were only acquainted with Marathi. However, next time I think we could brush up on our language with basic salutations and put forward people who can speak the language fluently.
We have just finished all our duties over here, and it was amazing. To be very truthful, it was a very enlightening experience. We got to help a lot of villagers over here.
I take away that I am overprivileged at this point because I haven't really been exposed to this kind of world, you could say, and coming into their lives and seeing how their lives go throughout the year is something that I will never forget.
I want to say that it was a great day. We started off with a warm welcome by the villagers who had a smile on their face throughout. The education over here is only till the 5th standard, so that was a bit I didn't like that. So but it was a really good experience, and I thank Anant Vikas for giving me this opportunity to come to this village.